from adjustment of the lights, like when you're driving, for example, adjusting the drive mode. So you can do eco, comfort, and sport by just pressing.
After 150 meters, turn right onto South El Camino Real and then turn right.
Yeah, so these are like the different mode selection, like when you have pet. When, for example, you left your pet inside and you go out for a grocery, quick grocery, you just press this. This will let the it says here. So this will automatically open the window just to give out some air and ventilation.
Mm-hmm.
The wash mode, it will make sure that the windows are all closed, the bonnet or the trunk is closed as well, charging port is closed. Right now it says X because we're actually charging the vehicle.
Right.
So this one's gonna make sure that nothing is left out, and this is the main menu.
Can you tell me a bit more about the ADAS? The
ADAS
driving assistance system. What is it called? A driving assistant.
So this has the speed limit control, or the adaptive cruise control. It's a lot of different safety features. So it will also detect pedestrian. So a lot of cars nowadays are distracted. They're looking at their phone or doing some other stuff aside from driving. So the car has that feature just to help them drive safely, to avoid collision, avoid hitting any objects or getting into accidents. The car has several radar sensors and camera to help prevent from happening these types of accidents on the road. So cars nowadays are getting smarter.
So it's have the self-parking feature?
Yes, it can do a simple parking, like backing up or moving forward. So it's like a summon. We call it the summon mode.
Okay.
So for example, you have a tight parking space. Instead of you parking the car and then later on dealing with the tight opening, you can just stay outside and just do the park mode or the summon mode, and just the car will just park on its own. You have to pay for like it's like a subscription, an annual subscription basis. So but on the first year, on your first purchase during that year, it's already included.
And you have any idea how much would be the monthly fee for the subscription?
I don't have the figures right now. Later on, the company will announce the pricing for that one.
Yeah. Okay.
So it says here, every purchase or every 200 deposit, you get to choose a home charger, a level 2 home charger, or you can also opt for 3 years complimentary public parking with Electrify America, or a 1-year complimentary advanced driver assistance. This is the ADAS. So after that, you may continue by doing the subscription.
Okay. Okay.
So going back to the screen, so you can do internet surfing as well. So it pretty much behaves like a normal, let's say a laptop or a smartphone. So you can do Of course, you can only do this while in a park, as long as you're not driving,
Right.
because
right.
it would be unsafe.
You cannot, yeah, for safety reason. Yeah.
For safety reason. So
Okay. Great.
internet speed would also depend on your data. For volume, for answering the phone, on this side, this will be your for the phone related controls and the volume as well. And this is for the safety, like cruise control, lane keep assist. So these are the physical active buttons that you can control with your fingertips or your thumb. And of course you have the usual stocks for the wipers, or the rear wipers also, and the stock for the signal lights, turn signal. This is your drive selector. It's a push button instead of the lever, the usual lever. So this is designed this way to free up some space, so this becomes open. And you have your usual volume knob, because it's easier to control the volume this way than sliding your finger.